All right, see this mess here? Look at that. Wait till I show you what it's going to be. Making some lasagna. So yeah, I've got my regatta here. I put an egg in. I don't usually, but I did this time. And then I made some grass-fed beef sauce. I use what do you call it? The tomato paste, and then some diced. And I might put in some of my own tomatoes, but that's what I'm doing. I just want to show you what the mess is, and I'll show you what it comes out like when it's all done. It's going to be wonderful. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. All right. So I got this organic pasta, and here's my stuff. I think I'll put this down first, like that. Okay, and then I'll put some of this stuff on it. A little more, I guess. Gotta have meat. I mean, you know, cheese is for raviolis, but for lasagna, you gotta put meat in it. And, oh, you know what? Cheese. I'm gonna have lots of different kinds of cheeses on here. I got sheep cheese, I got cow's milk cheese, I got some mozzarella over here, and I've got some provolone. Oh yeah, boar's head. I haven't dropped dead from it. Okay, I need 2 hands to do this, so I'll be back. So see, I put some of the provolone on there. And I got some mozzarella. I think I might save that for the top, because I got my mozzarella over here. So I'm gonna start making my layers now. It's gonna be good. I make good lasagna, what can I say? Okay, so here's the second layer. See, I got the second layer there. And as usual, I made too much pasta, but well, it's okay. So I got that, and I'm gonna put some more of that on, and then I'll make the final layer, and then I'll put it in the oven, and you're gonna see how good it's gonna look, and I'll let you know how good it'll taste. Okay, I got like 3 layers on, but I got all this pasta here. I'm gonna go for a 4th layer. I think I can put a little topping on it. There it is. I thought it'd be a little weird, and I put some strips of prosciutto on it. I don't know, just for the heck of it. So this is like all different kinds of cheeses. The only thing I didn't have was the Asiago. But, oh, there's plenty of cheeses. I'm going to put this in my old favorite oven and turn the waters. I still have this stuff I got to use somehow. You know what I'm thinking of doing? Maybe I could make like little rolls like this, you know, put some, oh look at, I burnt myself, you know, I use cast iron all the time, and it's, oh, don't even go there. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, in my favorite oven here. I wonder, oh, I think I have to put foil on top, and then put it in there, and then take it off for the last few minutes. So I need 2 hands to put the foil on. I got it 350. I probably should have put it. Anyway, and there it goes. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna just to get it going. Maybe I'll put a little convection on too. 45 minutes. 45. I probably don't even need to do, you know, I'll do 40. Probably should do 35, actually. I'll do 35. Okay. All right, lasagna, cook away, and we'll check you out. I'm sure it's going to be good. Hey, look. See, I took it out of the oven, and I took the foil off, and it looks, it's cooking. It's hot, I didn't want to touch it. So now I'm going to put it back in there with out with some Nick, without the foil on it, and cook the rest of it for like, what, 16 minutes. So I gotta put it back in. It'll be good. So I should have something going on here like in 15 or 20 minutes, and I will taste it. Okay, see, there it is. Now I'm wondering whether I should have put it in. Well, I hope I just don't burn the whole top. I have to keep checking on it. So I got, what, 15 more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna keep checking on it. While that thing is cooking, I had to do this. You see, I have to clean this out. But I cannot stand the cat. My little OCD is, here, I gotta get rid of this too, because, anyway. My little OCD is I cannot stand having stuff in the, oh, that's gonna fall off. Oops. I can't stand having stuff in the sink. Unlike my friend Lisa, who's OCD with order, everything is in order. I'm not an orderly person, but as far as my thing goes, do not leave anything in the sink or I'll go nuts. So I got that. I'm gonna put that away. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I kind of want to make something rolled up in it, like prosciutto and stuff like that. Oh, I got a telephone call. Be right back. Okay, so there it is. It's done. So I'm gonna put it and coordinate it with a red plate, you know, red pasta sauce. So I don't know if I could do this with one hand. I'm gonna try this. It looks pretty darn good. I'm gonna have to freeze it or find some mix. I can't eat all this. I could freeze it. It'll last me like for, wow, look at that. Holy moly. I'm telling you. I'm such a good cook. Wow. Alrighty. That's what I got. I want to taste it. Oh, it's too hot. I'll put that over there. Okay, let me see. Maybe. Oh, I hope it's not too hot. Let me see. It's hot, but I'm going to taste it. And of course, it's outstanding. It's really freaking outstanding. I'm telling you, I'm the best when it comes to cooking. Very simple, no frills, healthy, and it's really freaking good. Look at this cheese. It's so good with all these different cheeses in it. And I got the grass-fed beef. So, you know what? I'm going to pour myself another glass of wine and finish this. And, yeah, guys, try to make this. It's easy. It's just so simple. Okay. I'm going to go eat it now.